Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reverse level your Ram 3500. This process involves lowering the rear of your truck to achieve a more balanced and appealing look. Many truck owners prefer this stance for both aesthetic reasons and improved handling characteristics. We will focus on an easy method that you can perform with basic tools, making it accessible for most enthusiasts. Get ready to transform your truck's profile in just a few straightforward steps. Reverse leveling essentially means reducing the factory rake of your Ram 3500. From the factory, trucks often sit higher in the rear to accommodate heavy loads. By reverse leveling, you achieve a more uniform height from front to back, or even a slightly lowered rear. This modification is popular for achieving a custom look and can also contribute to a smoother, less stiff ride when the truck is unladen. To begin your reverse leveling project, gather your essential tools. You'll need a sturdy floor jack, at least 2 reliable jack stands for safety, and a precise torque wrench. A good set of socket and open-end wrenches will also be crucial for loosening and tightening bolts. Depending on your chosen method, you might also need new lowering shackles or shorter rear blocks to achieve your desired drop. The installation process is straightforward. First, safely lift the rear of your Ram 3500 and secure it firmly on jack stands. Next, carefully remove the existing rear suspension components, such as the factory lift blocks or shackles. Then, install your new lowering shackles or shorter blocks. Finally, lower your truck and retorque all bolts to the manufacturer's specified values for safety and proper function. Always double-check your work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.